I love a good Android. I love Android. Nothing against people that have iPhones. In this video, we're talking everything customization when it comes down to your Android phone. Every tip, every trick to make your phone look aesthetically pleasing. Before we get into this video, my name is Zelda Nadine. If you are oldie but goodie, hey, and all you guys that are new, welcome. Let's go ahead and get into this video. At this point, you probably have researched over and over and over again through YouTube trying to figure out how to make your phone look aesthetically pleasing. We're going into my phone and you'll be able to see everything here. If you can see here, you can actually see that my phone was just a mess. Basically the best way I could put it, it was a mess. So the first thing I did, I went onto Pinterest to look up different layouts on how I would want my phone to look when I opened up the screen. So I went on to look for color aesthetics, just different textures, different icons. I had an idea what I wanted to do, but I really didn't know all the way what I wanted to do. I went ahead and typed into the search iOS wallpaper page, iOS ideas for your phone, just different combinations in my search to get an idea of what I was looking for. You want to choose a photo in Pinterest that you want to use as your wallpaper first. I went ahead and looked for textured photos or just photos that had some type of, it wasn't too busy. You don't want something, well, to me, I didn't want anything that was too much going on. I wanted to use basically wallpapers that had maybe a solid color just to start off as my background and my base for my aesthetic. And then I went and looked for icons. Now, when you go onto Pinterest, all you gotta do is type iOS icons and you'll see plenty. You want to go ahead and click the 3 buttons on the side of the photo that you like and hit download. Notice I've done as much that I could so I could have a plethora of options. Now you want to go into Google Play and then you want to download KWGT. So with this particular app, you're going to see different sizes, different things in reference to like the squares. This is how you're going to get the length of your widgets in that nice square. Next, you're going to go into Google Play Store and download Icon Changer. That's the app that's going to show you how to basically change the apps that you already have, change the cover to those apps so it can match your aesthetics. Now, once you've downloaded both of those apps, the KWGT and the Icon Changer, I'm gonna go into the Icon Changer first just because I have so many apps, it's not even funny, but they all serve a purpose. The point of changing your apps and making it more organized is to be able to have simplicity and also to make it pleasing to the eye. So you want to make sure you choose basically which apps that you use constantly and use those on your front page. When you open the app, you will get a few pop-up ads. So you don't want to hit open. If you get an ad, close it out. So let it run all the way through. They give you about 5 seconds on some of them, or they give you an X. So make sure that you go ahead and close that out, and then you'll see all your apps on your phone. So the first app that I'm going to go ahead on to, I am going to pick Netflix. Once I get onto that, tap onto that icon, go to your gallery. So here on the app, you're gonna go to the gallery and then you're gonna click on album, or you're gonna click gallery like I'm doing right now. I went ahead and grouped all my icons into one folder on my gallery. So I would suggest you do that. Then you're gonna pick the icon that you want. Once you do that, you wanna check done on the top right. Now you can change the icon, like I said, you can change it either to rounded, circle, or keep it square. I like the rounded look because again, we're talking kind of comparing to the iPhone. So I'm going to do a round customization of my icon and I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. I'm telling you, I have so many icons, it's not even funny. So all I'm saying is I'm going to speed this up for you. Now, once you have went ahead and customized your icon for your apps, you want to also make sure that you test that app. So I'm going to hit Netflix and make sure that I can open up that Netflix icon. And as you can see, it opens right up. So it's pretty easy. To give you a little bit of reassurance, on this particular app, you're not losing app. It's just basically you're masking over the icon. Once you have tested your apps, you want to arrange your apps the way that you want it to look on your screen. I actually have spread mine out slightly so I could be able to put my widgets so it can look basically pretty. I'm all about it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the KWGT app. I'm gonna hold my screen. I'm gonna hit widgets. I'm gonna search for the KWGT app. You wanna click on 2x2. Then click on the widget again and then drag it to your main screen. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and click onto that widget that we just dragged on the screen. And it's gonna open up all these different widgets. If you can see, it has clocks, it has calendars. I'm gonna click on this one right here, and this one is at the bottom. And you're gonna click on it, and then after you click on that widget, you want to delete the font that's in the widget icon. So you're gonna click the stat group that's at the bottom. Once you click on stat group, you wanna go ahead and hit the trash can on the top right. It's gonna delete the font in the box. Then you're gonna hit the plus button on the very right on the top. Then you're gonna hit shapes at the bottom, and you wanna check shapes. So you wanna check the side buttons in the box in the widget itself. You can click, you can hold the button down where it says plus and minuses and click, 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 click. I didn't do that. All I did was click on the number that was there, and then I put in 860. And then for the corners, I put in 120. So that gives you that perfect box that's going to give you like your saying or the picture that you want to go ahead and put into your phone for that particular widget. This is not the rectangle one. This is the one for the square. And then you're going to go into FX, and you want to click on that and click bitmap. You want to make sure that you check all the boxes. Now, you're going to click on the bitmap again. Go to your gallery or your folder that has all the things that you saved from Pinterest and select the photo that you want in the square. Then you want to hit copy or save. You can click that too. And then you're going to come out of the widget, and you're going to see that the square is now on your home screen. So I'm going to hold on to that new customized widget, and I'm going to move it around. Next, we're going to go back into the KWGT widget, but this time we're going to go ahead and do in the rectangular widgets that basically the ones that you see all the time. And I'm going to go ahead and go back into it, and we're going to do the same process that you did for the square, but we're going to change the numbers. You're going to click on shape, but you want to select rectangle. For the width, you want to do 800, and for the height, you want to do 300. For the corners, you want to do 75. You want to go into FX and hit bitmap like we did earlier. Click on that. Go to your gallery and pick the photo or the saying that you want. Hit copy and come out of the widget, and you'll see it right there. On this, you can arrange it how you want. You can have it on the top, you can have it at the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a couple different ways that you can show how your phone can look on your Android. And guys, that's basically it. Listen, this is the easiest tips and tricks for your Android phone. I'm telling you, it's easy as pie. Once you get used to it, it's gonna be like a breeze. If you're interested in more videos like this, please make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. That helps me just like it helps YouTube to know that you're interested in more videos like this. I know that I'm going to do another one for probably the holidays coming up, so look out for that. And also, if you like this look, there is a video coming. Leave a comment below. Let me know if it worked out for you, and I will actually see you at the next video. Bye.